Hello, then you are welcome back on my platform. Here we will be learning a number of ICT skills. We will be learning and gaining. Learning is a journey that starts from zero and ends at infinite. We stop learning when you have stopped living. So, by today we are going to start one of the online Google application tools that is called a Google Doc. So simply you must first have an account on Google, that is Google Doc. This is the interface of Google Chrome, and then to go on my inbox, it's just click here, and then I open my inbox, and then we have three ways of opening Microsoft Doc. But first, we need to understand what is a Google Doc. You can just come here and type there a Google Doc from Google, and then you press and enter, and you see. From here, as you can see, it's an online word processor included as part of the free web-based word editors or doc editors. So that is the definition of it. And then we have three ways of opening Microsoft Doc. The method number one is to come on your email, and then you go here into the other 9 dots for Google Apps. Just click there, and you go into apps. They are here. You click on a Google Doc, and then after clicking there, you see we are having here a number of templates or inbuilt design, and down we are having there the docs that we created, documents of mine. You can just click on one of them if you want to open, but first we are going to see how to start with it simply. Then here you just need to click on blank because it's a new document that you are going to create. You just click there and you wait a little bit, and then this is the interface. So I can paste there the other definition that I have copied, and then there are three ways. There are three ways of starting a Google Doc. The method number one is one that you have seen by using Google Apps. And then the method number two. Number one, we have opened it by using Google Apps. Number two, we can just type Google Doc from search of Google Chrome. That is the method number two. And the method number three is by using your Google Drive. So we have seen the method number one by using the other Google apps. By now, let us see how we can open a Google Doc by using a Google Chrome. You just need to open your Chrome, and then into search here you type there Google Doc, and then you press and enter. You see it comes with the other package, and then you just click on that Google Doc. This is the interface. As you can see, we are having the other templates and even the docs that you created. And then if you want to create a new, just click on blank document, and then this is the interface. It gets opened. So the method number three that you have seen from here, method number three by using Google Drive, you just need to go into your Google account, and then from there you go into this Google Apps. Just click there and you see a Google Drive. I told you about you on it recently. It's an online cloud-based storage that holds all your online files, all your online activities that you do. They are and try to keep. They are kept. Also, it keeps your location. If you have synchronized your Google account with a map, it keeps track of wherever you go as long as you are online. And then you just click on it. It does a number of, but it plays the role of storage. So as you can see, it gets opened like this. Yeah, these are my folders and the files. You can keep their folder. You see, these are folders, and even these are files. Then this is the storage. It is 15 GB, and I have used this one simply. Then we just come here on plus or add new, and then from there you come on Google Doc. Just click on it and it gets opened like the other way. So these are three methods through which we can open a Google Doc. So after opening your Google Doc, the first thing that you have to do is to give your document a title. You just come here on entitled document. So you can see it is having no title, and then you call it my first doc. My first doc. For information, this doc represents a document, my first document. And then you go down. And another thing that you have to know is that when you are using these online tools, you never save as we normally save when we are offline. They are automatically, the work that you are doing is automatically saved. You don't need it to save. So you can type the way we use it to type into Microsoft Word, like maybe information, communication, and technology. That is, maybe you are going to talk about ICT, and then you can select your title, and then you bold bit from here. That is, if you click on it, your title gets bolded. You can italicize, and even you can underline if you wish. This is a text color, for the font color into Microsoft Word. And from here you can increase the font size. You see, you can increase the font size, and as well as you can decrease. Here we are having what we call font type, the type of writing that we use. By clicking down, you see we are having a number of fonts. You can just scroll down and you see, and you can choose the one based on what you want to do. And now we are going to define maybe data. I'm trying to show how maybe you can continue with the typing. Maybe you are new, you are not familiar with it. To remove this underline, you just come here on underline, and then it gets vanished, and then you define data. Simply refers to the raw facts which can be processed into meaningful information. Remember, information is also defined as the meaningful data, as the meaningful or processed data. First up, but as you can see here also, the definition of data and information, they are also bolded. We needed to remove this bold. What we simply do, we just have to select them, and after selecting, we come here on unbold, and then italicize, and they just disappear. For the types of data, there are two types of data, namely analog and digital data. But as you can see, I needed to have some bullets here so that my document could be having a nice look. As you can see, we are having types, but it is not well flexed, or maybe it doesn't have nice look. I have to select the other types as well. I have to just bold, and even I can maybe increase its size, and then for this analog and digital, I have to italicize them. I can number them, but I don't want to number. I just needed to italicize them. You just have to come here on bullets, you see, and then but maybe you don't want these ones. These are not favorable or are not good. You just come here on numbering, and you see the numberings, how they look like here. But also you see here we are having a checkbox, checklist menu, but I will not use them as well. This is for line spacing, and here it's for align and indent. I just needed to come here on numbering and then click on this. You see, this is 1, and if I try to come here and type 2 dots, I press on spacebar and to get aligned well. That is two types of data, and then I don't have to go through the definition in the details. I just wanted to show that you can type as well as we do into other documents. But as you can see, I'm typing, but I can also pull, or I can copy data from my document and then paste it here. For instance, if I try to open my desktop maybe, and let me try to find out a document that I can convert. Let me go into my academic documents and then try to get some information that I can, or a document that I can insert here. Just need to open. Okay. Can just come here and select a document that I have. Just Ctrl and C to copy, and then I get it back into my drive. I just press Ctrl plus V, that is pasting, and I wait a little bit. You see, the document is already inserted. You can just type as well as you can copy the document that you have already and paste it into a Google Doc. You see, it's now there. Then I've told you that we don't need to save. That was an introduction. Furthermore, on the next lesson we will look at File tab and see what you can do with the File tab, what you can do with Edit tab, what you can do with the View, what you can do with Insert, Format, Tools, and so on. So this was an introduction. I just wanted to show you how to start with a Google Doc, and the more you will be with me, you will learn more. So thank you for today. I would like to ask you to just like the video and even just hit on subscribe so that you will be notified by any time that I do an lesson, and then we get along with the digital technology, and at the end of the day we will be digital citizens. So thank you. Be blessed. May God be with you.